So, ayun mga loves, for today's video, we will talk about MP2 savings account ng Pag-ibig Fund. Ayun. So, iba po yung Pag-ibig regular savings at yung MP2 savings. Okay? So, gusto ko lang po i-share. Maraming nagtatanong. So, ayun, may mga list na ako dito para hindi po ako magkamali. So, ayun, disclaimer lang. Hindi po ako financial, ganyan. Basta natutunan ko lang siya through internet, YouTube. Mr. Chinkitan, thank you so much. Ayan. So, what is Pag-ibig MP2 Savings Account? Yun yung pinakaunang tanong ng karamihan pag narinig nila na ano yung MP2 account ng Pag-ibig Fund. So, ito siya. Pag-ibig is modified Pag-ibig 2. The MP2 Savings Program is a special voluntary savings facility with a 5-year maturity. So, magsisave ka ng pera doon within 5 years. Hindi mo po siya makukuha like naghulog ka for the first year. Gusto mo na siyang kunin. So, hindi po yun pwede. Ikikip mo siya within 5 years. Tapos, eto, designed for active Pag-ibig Fund members. Makakapag-open ka lang po ng Pag-ibig MP2 kung member ka po ng Pag-ibig. Ayan. And then, Pag-ibig Fund members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends in additional to their Pag-ibig regular savings. Ayun. Tapos ito po yung sunod na katanungan. How does Pag-ibig MP2 savings work? Paano nga ba siya nag-work? Since na naglagay lang tayo doon ng pera, tapos, kikita na siya ng dividends every year. So, ito siya. Your Pag-ibig savings shall earn dividends at the higher rate than that of the regular Pag-ibig savings program. The dividends you shall earn are tax-free. So, ito po yung kagandahan sa MP2 account. Yung sa dividends mo, hindi ka po magbabayad ng tax. Ito po ay tax-free. So, kung magkano po yung kitain nyo, wala na po siyang bawas. Okay? So, the more you save sa MP2, the more you earn dividends, tapos wala po siyang tax. So, ayun. Ito pa yung sunod na tanong. Siyempre, yung iba natatakot mag-save, lalo na kung malaki yung perang ipapasok nila, diba? Lalo kung yun nga, pinag-usapan about investment, maraming scam, ganyan. So, ito yung katanungan. Is MP2 savings is safe? Ito. It is considered to be safe investment option as it backed by the Philippines government and is designed to promote savings and home ownership among its members. However, it's always important to do your own research. Lagi po tayo magre-research about the investment na gusto po nating pasukin. And consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decision. So, sa inyo pa rin po magmumula yung pag-research ng investment na papasukin nyo. Okay? Kasi, syempre, marami pong YouTube or mga YouTuber na nag-i-invite like higher return, higher rate, diba? So, mas okay pa rin po yung magre-research tayo about dun sa investment na papasukin natin kung legit po ba to. So, ayun. Ito po yung sunod na katanungan. What will happen the MP2 after 5 years? Ito. You can do the reapply for a new MP2 savings account to continue earning dividends at the MP2 savings rate. So, after po ng 5 years, pwede po kayo mag-open ng another account para ipasok po doon yung pera nyo. Kasi every 5 years po yung maturity niya. So, pag nag-mature na po yung pera nyo, pwede nyo po siyang i-claim. After ng claim, mag-open po ulit kayo ng bagong account at ipasok nyo po yung whole invest na po na pera at kasama po yung dividends kung gusto nyo or additional more cash para po mas madagdagan po yung kikitain nyo within 5 years. Tapos, eto po, pag hindi nyo naman po siya nakuha, if you do not claim your MP2 savings after 5 years maturity, it will be then stop earning dividends under the MP2 savings rate. So, kung hindi nyo, akala nyo po na hindi nyo siya kukunin within 5 years, i-stock nyo lang po siya doon, is kikita ulit. Hindi na po, kasi once na 5 years lang po yung maturity, hanggang doon lang po siya. So, kailangan nyo po mag-open ng another account para po maipasok ulit yung pera nyo to earn more dividends within 5 years. So, ayun. Yun lang po yung ma-share ko for this time kasi so nag-open po ako ng MP2 ko is 2020, so now is 2023, so I have 2 more years to save more every month, or I just put money on it at one time.